Hey! You know, in Delhi, India's capital, helmet is optional for women while riding two-wheelers. As a result, 60 to 70 women die in road accidents every year due to head injury.
Don't you think that's a gender-biased law? As far as I know, helmet is mandatory for men.
Yes, I know, and it's ironical that even after Delhi High Court's order, the Delhi government is still thinking over it. Don't know how many more deaths this government wants to see.
This is really bad, considering the fact that the Chief Minister of Delhi is a woman herself, and the chairperson of UPA is also a woman.
And on top of that, no woman organization is coming forward to support this cause. It's sorry state of affair when issues related to women are just being ignored.